Hey guys, so it is Sunday and I don't feel like cooking a meal from scratch. So I'm gonna make something out of this leftover piece of stuff you see here. I have a rotisserie chicken that we have eaten off of, and I am going to, y'all ever notice that Sam, sometimes the legs and around here it's not done, it's still kind of pink. So that's one reason why we didn't eat the leg and the thighs. But I am going to make this dinner today, putting all this together. I got a piece of chicken, like I said, piece of rotisserie chicken from Sam's, and I have these leftovers, about a little bit less than a half of a bag of those veggie steamables from Kroger's. They are peas and carrots. We had them the other day. And then I have some mushrooms, some onion. This is from the garden. And I'm just going to make a little, I don't know what you want to call it, almost like a gravy type sauce, but I want to flavor it with thyme and green onion. I don't think I'm going to put, well, we'll see. But anyway, I'm going to use this as a little bouquet. Might make it like a cream sauce. And then I have some potatoes. I'm also going to use some garlic. And this is going to be our meal for today, and I'm going to show you how I make it. So over here on the stove, I have some olive oil going. And I'm going to start off by sauteing some onion. And here's the little garlic I got, about 3 cloves of garlic, and that's what we're using today. So I have slathered these potatoes with olive oil. I'm going to put a little salt on the outside too. I've already pricked with the knife, and I'm about to put these in the microwave for about 6 minutes, 3 minutes on each side. I am putting in the onion. I just added my garlic and mushroom. And the seasonings that I'm adding are the garlic, herb, black pepper, and sea salt. Got some Cajun seasoning going on, and this is not spicy. Just adds a little flavor. And then I have my brown sugar bourbon seasoning from McCormick. So I've added in my lemon thyme. Sprinkle it around in there because I'm going to take it out later most likely. And that is from the garden. And then adding in the green onion and just a couple of sprigs of cilantro. Probably won't add too much flavor, the cilantro won't, but don't want it to go to waste. I'm just going to stir it around in there. And this is not a formal recipe, you guys, so I'm not following anything. I'm just showing you how I'm throwing a meal together out of leftover ingredients. So I put basically a half stick of butter, in there. And I'm going to make a cream sauce while these ingredients are in here. After this melts in, I'm going to add the heavy whipping cream, and I'm going to add it a little at a time so I can see, how it's going. Maybe I'll start with 1/4 a cup and see if I desire to put more in. I just added a little less than 1/4 cup more of the heavy whipping cream off camera. So now I'm going to add just a little bit, about a half a teaspoon of this chicken flavor bouillon, this de pollo. I think that's about enough. I'm going to add in about half a teaspoon of liquid smoke. Now I'm going to add in these potatoes. I've already skinned them or peeled them. And here's the peeling here. And I've seasoned them with the same seasonings as before. And the brown sugar bourbon. And now I'm going to add in the chicken pieces. So I just added about a half a cup of water into the bottom of this rotisserie pan that the rotisserie chicken was in from Sam's. And it got all those good juices out of the bottom. And I'm going to add it in here. And there we are, because I needed some more liquid in here. I'm going to get that stirred in. And then I'm going to add the chicken pieces in. I'm going to put in a little bit of Italian seasoning in here. Even though I know I already have this and it's kind of the same. The Italian seasoning does not have pepper and all that. Oregano, marjoram, thyme, rosemary, and sage. So I'm going to add a little bit of something else. Y'all, I don't know what I was thinking about. I got fresh rosemary in my herb container gardens. So I just ran out, came in, washed them off, and put them in. Rosemary would be so, fresh rosemary rather, be so good in here. And this is how it's looking so far. You guys, I did take a shortcut. I chopped up the bigger chicken pieces, the legs and the thighs. I put the wings in here, but the thighs and the legs, I put in this container, chopped them up, separated them rather, put them in this container with a little bit of water, covered them with the top that goes to this, and I put them in the microwave for 3 minutes, and then I put them in here because I'm in a hurry. But anyway, this is how it's looking. It looks amazing. I'm going to put some parsley on top and make it look even the more appetizing, and it's going to taste delicious. And here it is with the parsley on top. I may make some noodles because my husband, I think he's kind of hitting around. He wants something else with it, even though it has potatoes in there. But I'll probably make some noodles or either some rice, and this will go on top for him. Yes, y'all, I almost forgot the peas and carrots. And there you go, one pot meal. And you could have been patient and put all the meat in together and just let it simmer and get warm together, but I was impatient. I was in a hurry, so I put those pieces in the microwave like I told you, and then just put them in here. But y'all, this is so good. Of course, I've been tasting as I've been going along, and it is so, so good. So I made Mr. a little pot of noodles, just enough for him. And if the kids want rice, I have rice also. But potatoes are in here, so that should be good. But, you know, maybe one extra. Hey guys, so like I said, this is kind of an informal dinner. It's a throw together, but very good throw together dinner. I'm not feeling the best today, so it's after church. Chris and Isaiah went to Isaiah's game. I didn't feel like sitting out in the hot sun and just not feeling well at the same time. And just needed a little minute to myself too, because I've been running, and it's just nice to be peaceful and quiet. You know, the house just quiet, and just to, you know, do some things that I need to do. Jalen is gone canoeing with some friends from work, and I'm going to sit out here and enjoy my food and watch some music. The meal turned out spectacular. It tastes so good. Just the right amount of seasonings and everything. Sorry if you hear the air conditioner unit over there. But just out here on the patio by myself and enjoying this meal. And of course, I got my Coldest Water Bottle. Got my water in there. It's a nice day. I'm in the shade, so I'm enjoying myself.